So in this video, we are going to discuss what is descriptive statistics. So basically, descriptive statistics is a branch of statistics that involves summarizing and organizing data in a way that makes it easy to understand. It provides a simple summary about the sample and measures of the data. So descriptive statistics are typically used to describe the main features of a collection of data quantitatively, often through the use of tables, graphs, and different summary measures. In statistics, it is important to understand the difference between population and sample before we go any further. So let me first explain what is the difference between population and sample. So the population is the entire group that you want to draw a conclusion about. It includes all the individuals, item or data points of interest in a particular study. For example, if you are studying the average height of adult men in a country, the population would include all adult men in that country. The population is typically large, and in many cases it may not be possible or practical to collect data from every member of the population. Now let's discuss what is sample. So a sample is a smaller manageable subset of the population that is used to represent the population in a study. It is selected from the population, and the data collected from the sample is used to make inferences or generalization about the entire population. A sample is usually chosen because it is more practical and cost effective to study a smaller group rather than the entire population. The goal is for the sample to be representative of the population so that the results obtained from the sample can be generalized to the population. Now let's discuss what are the key differences. Size. So the first key difference is size. The population includes all the members, whereas the sample includes only a portion of the population. The second difference is purpose. So data from the population gives exact information, while data from the sample provides estimates or inferences about the population. And the third difference is about representation. So a well-chosen sample should represent the population, but there is always a possibility of sampling errors, which is the difference between the sample result and the true population results. So in summary, while a population is the full set of items you are interested in, a sample is a smaller group selected from the population used to draw conclusions about the entire group. Now let's discuss what are the different types of data available in statistics. So in statistics, data can be classified into two main types. Okay, the first type is quantitative or numerical data. The second type is qualitative and categorical data. Okay, so quantitative data is numerical data, while qualitative data is categorical data. Okay, so now let's first discuss what is the quantitative data, the numerical one. So quantitative data represents numerical values and can be measured or counted. It answers questions like how many or how much. There are two main subtypes of quantitative data. The first one is discrete data, the second one is continuous data. So what is discrete data? It consists of distinct separate values that can be counted. Example, number of children in a family, number of cars in a parking lot. So these will be the discrete data points. So we can't say that this family has 2.3 children or there are 5.1 cars parked in the parking lot. That doesn't make sense. Okay, so this is discrete data, it's whole numbers. Okay, now what is continuous data? It can take any value within a range and can be measured with increasing precision. Example, height, weight, temperature, time, etc. So like height could be 176 centimeter, 176.3 centimeter, like that. Okay, decimal values. Now let's discuss what is qualitative or categorical data. So qualitative data represents categories or labels that describes characteristics or attributes. So it basically answers questions like what type or what category. We also have two subtypes of qualitative, that is categorical data. The first one subtype is nominal data, the second subtype is ordinal data. So what is nominal data? Nominal data, categories without a specific order or ranking, is called nominal data. Example, gender, male and female, there is no order in it. Okay. Eye color, blue, brown, green. Then the types of animals, this is nominal data. These categories don't have a specific order or ranking. Now what is ordinal data, which is the second type? So categories with a meaningful order or ranking, but the differences between the categories are not consistent or measurable. Okay. Example, educational level, high school, bachelor's degree, master's degree. Then customer satisfaction ratings, satisfied, neutral, unsatisfied. So these are ordinal data. There is some order in it. Okay.